Yep, the title of the thumbnail says it all, the ultimate fish fillet sandwich. You ain't never had no sandwich like this. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown on today's ingredients. Back here we have some seasoned fish fry right here. I have some seasoned flour here. And right here we have our fish. I'm using red snapper. You can use whatever type fish you like. It's totally up to you. Right here I got a sesame seed bun, of course, whatever type of bun, fits your preference, all good. Sweet pickle relish here, some lemon juice. We have an egg. We have some buttermilk powder here. Now, if you don't want to use buttermilk powder, you could definitely use buttermilk, no problem. Salt and pepper, mayo, hot sauce, and we have some Cajun seasoning. So let's get to it. So first we're gonna start preparing our tartar sauce. So I'm gonna add our mayo here to this bowl here, along with our sweet relish, salt and pepper, lemon juice. And typically, guys, if you have dill, you can add some dill, but I don't have any dill, so we're just gonna go in and give this a good mix. This is our tartar sauce. All right, let's continue. All right, so now we're gonna take our seasoned flour. We're gonna add our buttermilk powder here, and we're gonna give that a good whisk. And guys, if you don't have seasoned flour, just use some regular flour. You can season it yourself with some salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, some paprika. That works well too. All right, that's what we have. Let's move this aside. So next we're gonna season our fish with our Cajun seasoning added here. And we're just gonna get those babies moved around in here. Just like that, real simple. Let's continue. All right, so next we're gonna prepare our egg wash. We're gonna add our egg here along with our hot sauce. And we're just gonna get at a mix like that. All right, let's continue. All right, next we're gonna start breading our fish. So we have our fish fillets right here, and we're gonna take them, the fish fillet, we're gonna put it in our flour first, our seasoned flour, then over to our egg wash. Out of our egg wash, over to our fish fry. And we're gonna get that moved around in here. All right. We're gonna move this here on the rack right here. We're gonna go ahead and do our other one, and we're gonna come right back. All right, so here are our two fish fillets. Now we're gonna move over to our stove. I got that grease heating up, just waiting on it to get to 350, so we start dropping them in there. All right, so now we're at our Dutch oven. Our oil is up to temperature. We're gonna start adding our fish. And we're gonna cook these babies about maybe 4 to 5 minutes until they're crispy. The timing all depends on how thick your fish is. So mine take about maybe 3 to 5 minutes. But again, we're gonna keep a lookout on it and make sure we get that golden crisp crust that we're looking for. All right, so we're about 4.5 to 5 minutes in. Our fish is ready. I'm gonna start removing that. Man, take a look at that right there. Oh man. I'm gonna sit it here on this resting rack. Let's head over to our cutting board. All right, so now our fish is done, guys. Take a look at that, man. Ooh, that baby hot. So that's practically it, guys. Really easy. Let's start building out this fish sandwich. And there you have it, guys, the ultimate fish fillet sandwich. Let me know what you think about this in the comments section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can test it out. All right, we back in here, quality control. Man, guys, the ultimate fish fillet sandwich. Oh man, let's go ahead and take a bite of this baby. I'm trying to see if I can get my mouth around this thing. All right. Oh man. This is what I'm talking about. Season. Wow. best fish fillet sandwich I ever tasted. So guys, another must try to add to your list, things to cook. So to the end, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, not a chef, just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace. Man.